Welcome to the introductory film where we will show you the basics on how to work with the imaging system DentalEye. When you open up a patient in DentalEye, you will see that particular patient's last image card. At the top, you will find the main menu as well as the toolbar. And it's in the toolbar you will find your template list, where you can choose which template you wish to use for today's shooting. If you want to open the template before shooting, press Show Template that you will find to the left of the template list. To the right of the template list, you will see which plugins are available for the sensors and cameras installed on the computer. A green dot on the plugin icon indicates that the specific unit is active and ready to shoot. Your images will now be placed in the template you have chosen. In the toolbar, you will then find all the tools available for image enhancement if you so wish, such as Rotate 90 degrees clockwise, Brightness and Contrast, Invert, Edge Enhance, Magnifier, Zoom, and Ruler, just to mention a few. Brightness and contrast can also be adjusted just by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while holding down the left mouse button and moving the cursor over the image. To the left to make the image darker, and to the right to make it brighter. If you regret your changes, you can always restore your image to the original by pressing the button Undo All except Orientation. There is also a shortcut if you wish to zoom in an image. Just left-click on the image to mark it and then use the scroll wheel on your computer mouse. Scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. If you're not content with an image and wish to reshoot it, you just left-click on it to mark it. A blue frame around the image shows you which one you have chosen. Now you are ready to shoot your new image. The new one will now be placed in the marked area of the template, and the old image will be placed in the area below, images not assigned to template. If you wish, you could leave the unsuccessful image in this area for as long as you want, but if you don't want to save it, you can just mark it and press Delete, or right-click on the picture and choose Delete. Misplaced images can easily be adjusted by drag and drop. You just drag the image to the preferred position and drop it there. The image that was positioned there before will now end up in the area below, so you can reposition this one as well by using drag and drop. If you want to review an image on full screen, you mark it by left-clicking on it. If you want to review more than one image at a time, you hold down the Control key on your keyboard while left-clicking on the images preferred. If you press Enter on your keyboard, the marked images will be open in the review mode, where you can also access your toolbar. If you, instead of Enter, press F7 on your keyboard, your marked images will be open in the presentation overview, where your images are presented on full screen. Press Escape on your keyboard to return from the review mode or presentation overview. If you prefer, you can also find buttons in the toolbar to open the review mode or the presentation overview. When you are done shooting and feel content with the images, you press Save in the toolbar. A new window will open where you can choose how to name the image card and finally approve it, which means to lock it. To the left on your screen, you will find a list showing every image card ever taken on the particular patient. Black image cards are approved and locked, while image cards marked with a red triangle are not approved and therefore unlocked. If you wish to compare multiple image cards, all you have to do is hold down the Control key on your keyboard while left-clicking on the image cards of your choosing. The marked image cards will then appear together next to each other on the screen. It is all up to you just how many image cards you wish to compare at the same time. Did you know that you can find an instruction for use in DentalEye? You find it by pressing Help in the main menu and choose Instructions for Use. You can also find it by simply pressing F1 on your keyboard. We have now gone through the basics on how to work with DentalEye imaging system. Of course, there is a lot more that can be done and a lot of other features to learn. Please contact your DentalEye distributor or visit our website www.dentaleye.com for more information and support options.